Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you can't send messages in Instagram, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So this is the first issue. Another way you can try, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So mostly it caused by a bad internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully update your iOS to the latest version. Also you can try to update your Instagram, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram here, and if you see here update not open but update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.